What's up, girl? Hi. What do you say, Kiwi? What did you tell Kiwi? What are you saying? Don't be telling everybody my business, Kiwi. No, you telling my business to everybody, Kiwi. No, I need you not to tell my business. I love you, man. You're my buddy, Kiwi, alright? That's what's up, Kiwi. Alright. Good boy, Kiwi. Oh, yeah. You're a good boy. You're a very good boy, Kiwi. Yes.